Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Ready to connect 2Checkout with your Ecwid store? In this video we will guide you throughout the process of integrating 2Checkout with your Ecwid website to streamline payment processing. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, I would like you to go to ecwid.com and open it. After you do so, I will need you to log into your account. So simply go ahead, sign in with Google or whatever account you have. So there I go, I'm gonna sign in with my Google account, and now I am on my dashboard. Now how can we connect to checkout procedure with our Ecwid accounts? So here we have basically the website settings. So if you click on it, you will find your website settings such as the design, the product that you have, and other things. Here we'll have the store settings, but what we need here is the payment settings. So here you could go either for payments. So there is two ways. There is the payments, and basically in payments you have to add to 2Checkout, so you have to search for it, or you can find an app. So there is app markets, and you can search for the 2Checkout as your app. So let me just search for it real quick. Here we go, 2Checkout, and we could search for it, and as you can see, there is like a lot of articles or basically plugins that has the same name or has the same purpose as the 2Checkout, but the one that we are looking for, the 2Checkout, the real 2Checkout that we are looking for, as you can see right here, is not really on that specific page. So how can we connect them together exactly? Well, you should understand first that you have to own an account with 2Checkout. So, and by the way guys, 2Checkout is now Verifone, so they have changed their name, so you need to understand that as well. So to create an account with 2Checkout, simply click on sign up now, and you have to get one of these plans. So there is to sell, to subscribe, or to monetize. So there is several plans for you to go for. To sell is easy to and simple way to sell globally. They will take 3.5% plus 0.35 cents per successful sale. No credit card required. You will only pay when you start selling, and what you will get is sell instantly in 200 countries and territories, integrate quickly with any of 120 plus cards, scale up for international growth, sell any type of product, and access to recalling billing. Second is for subscribe, develop and boost your subscription business. There will be 4.5% plus 45 cents per successful sale. It will not charge you for anything until you get a successful sale, and what you will get is basically includes all to sell benefits. So you will have all to sell benefits, plus retain more customers and reduce churn, smart subscription management tools, manage renewals and upgrades, cover entire subscription life cycle, insights throughout subscription analytics. And finally, there is the to monetize, all-in-one solution, sell digital goods globally. It has 6% plus 6 cents per successful sale. The same thing for it, no credit card is required, and you will only pay once you get or once you start selling. It will have all the to subscribe benefits and all to sell benefits, and global tax and regulatory compliance. You will have invoice management, reduced back-end internal work, access to 45 plus payment method, and optimized conversion rates, and help for shopping cart customizations. So this one is pretty OP or overpowered, as you might see, because it will give you an access to over 45 payments methods, which is insane. It will help you a lot to boost your sales. Nobody will have a problem now to pay you because all the payments methods are available for them now. Everything is open for them. They just have to click and start selling. So yeah guys, this is exactly what you will have to go for. This is basically in case you didn't have a problem with it, then to monetize is pretty good. Now to create an account, simply click on sign up for free, and you have to go through this form. Now this form will have to put your first name, last name, business email, password, website, and then your country. So let's start by putting here some informations. So here I'm gonna put, for example, Let me put here password. I don't know. Yeah, here let's put this one for example, and country just call it Spain, and let's get started. Then they're gonna take us to the second procedure where they are going to ask us to wait. Let's click here. We simply have to wait, and basically we have to wait for the second procedure where they are going to ask us about our identity so they can verify it, and that's pretty much it. Once you get to that procedure, then you are good to go, and now you can go back to your Ecwid panel so you can start following me within this tutorial. Now since the choose payment method here are not available, the one that we are looking for, which are right here, what you have to go for now is to click here more options to accept online payments in your country, and then choose the 2Checkout. After you have chosen 2Checkout, you simply have to go and follow these few steps. So sign up for a 2Checkout account, which we already did. Then set up your 2Checkout account as described in our knowledge base. So you simply have to go here, and now as you can see, setting up your 2Checkouts in your store. Apply to 2Checkout account if you don't have it yet. From your Ecwid admin, go to payments, scroll down to other ways to get paid, which we have done. And as you can see, this is your approved and INS URL, so you simply have to copy it and put it within your 2Checkout like account dashboard. So go to 2Checkout's vendor area, open the integration, then click on webhooks and API page, scroll down to redirect URL section and set the return method to header redirect, as you can see right here. Then click on update, and after you're done that, click on update, apply the changes, scroll to instant notification system ENS section, then select enable ENS and enable global URL and paste the value of approval and ENS URL you have once more. Then click again on update, scroll to the secret word section, make sure both the ENS and the bylink secret word are set to the same value and copy it. Once you've done that, return to the 2Checkout account details in your Ecwid control panel, enter a 2Checkout account number, merchant code and secret word, and go to appearance option, enable this method, and just like that, you have successfully added 2Checkout to your Ecwid control panel. So it is as simple as that, nothing complicated about it. And then of course you could go through the settings, which comes right after that. But to have like payment method fee or something like that, it requires a premium plan, so make sure that in case you wanted something advanced within this plugin itself, you will have to get a premium plan. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer your question one by one, and that was pretty much it.